If you've ever managed a project or even just a busy workday with your team, you know how easy it is for tasks to slip through the cracks. That's why today, I'll show you exactly how to capture action items in Atlassian Confluence, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn every to-do in your meetings or documentation into a clear, trackable task that you and your team can actually follow through on. Let's dive right in. Start by navigating to the Confluence page where you want the action item to live. Maybe it's your weekly meeting notes or a project planning document, anywhere you need to track work. Once there, click the Edit button. This opens up the page editor, which is where you'll make your changes. If you haven't used the editor before, don't worry. It's basically your workspace for drafting and organizing content, and it's super user-friendly. Now this is where things get really efficient. Instead of hunting through menus, just type a / like this. This / command pulls up Confluence's macro menu, a smart list of shortcuts that helps you add all sorts of features, from tables to emojis to action items. It's like the Swiss Army knife for your page, and using it can seriously speed up your workflow. With that menu open, start typing action item or task. You'll see an option pop up for action item. Select it. When you do this, Confluence instantly inserts a clickable checkbox right into your page. This isn't just a bullet point or some regular list, it's a special box the system recognizes as a task, so you can sort, filter, and track it later. If you love staying organized and hate re-entering data, you'll appreciate how this works. Now let's make the action real by writing a clear task description. Type out what needs to be done, like finalize project proposal or update client roadmap. The more specific you are, the better. Think of it like setting a reminder on your phone. You want future you or your teammates to know exactly what's expected. Here's a neat productivity boost. Assign the action item and set a due date, all right from the same spot. Start by typing at and then your teammate's name to assign this task. Confluence will suggest names as you type, which makes it quick. Assigning tasks ensures there's a clear owner. Instead of someone should do this, you'll know exactly who's responsible. After you've picked the person, type a comma right after their name, then enter the due date. This automatically puts a deadline on the checklist item, which adds helpful accountability so important tasks don't just float unresolved. Once everything looks good, task description, owner, due date, it's time to publish your changes. Hit publish, and your action item lives on the page as an interactive checkbox. Team members can come back, check off completed items, or update details. This kind of visibility is what turns your Confluence pages from just notes into actionable workspaces, and that's it. You've just turned a potential forgotten to-do into an organized, assigned, visible action item in Confluence. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and keep your projects on track.